Why real estate is the greatest career in the world. That's right. Why do you think? Take a guess. There's a bunch of reasons, but let's go through a few. I mean, number one, you get to be your own boss. How do you like that? You know, being your own boss is pretty cool, but it also takes a lot of responsibility. You have to have your own accountability. You have to be able to time block and schedule your day. No one's telling you to arrive at work at a certain time. You have to get out of bed. It requires a lot of discipline. So there's advantages and disadvantages. You get to be your own boss. The advantages are you get to go on vacation when you want. You get to make your day how you want it. And that also could be very advantageous provided that you're disciplined. The second item why real estate is such an outstanding career is that the decision is pretty easy. Even if you don't want to do it as a career, you should make the decision to get involved in real estate no matter what. You're going to stumble upon real estate deals in your life, and you want to be able to capitalize on those real estate deals. The third reason why is that real estate, it's such a low buy-in. You can literally go into the real estate business for a few $100s by opening up an entity and becoming a passive real estate investor. What that gives you is all types of opportunities, investment opportunities, because now you have a business in real estate, gives you tax write-offs, all for a very, very low buy-in of like $300. The next item, D, is earning potential. The earning potential in real estate, just fees and investment, as I talk about in my book, there's 9 different ways to earn fees in real estate. You can earn fees, development fees, acquisition fees, realtor fees, broker fees, sales fees, finance fees, interest fees. There's all kinds of fees. These are the things that should get you really excited, because besides having the incentive to be in real estate for a low buy-in, to be your own boss, you then get to make investments and earn fees and pay yourself. So you get the best of both worlds. You can go into real estate, which includes almost every aspect of real estate. Real estate includes legal, accounting, brokerage, finance. And the best part is every day is almost different unless you catch yourself in a rut. But in real estate, you can create an exciting career because every day is different. And guess what? You become the expert. And with all of these benefits that we're talking about, I mean, I just rattled off 4 or 5. It really, truly gives you the incentive to work hard. What else is better than being your own boss, having your own vacations, forcing yourself to be a little disciplined, making your own schedule, having the time to be with your family, enjoying yourself, and that's really the luxury life that you can build through real estate. So those benefits, just think about it. A business that actually gives you every aspect of business. I love real estate for a couple reasons why I think it's the greatest career is because I've been able to learn about writing my own legal agreements, how to take care of my own accounting. It's forced me to create every type of business system. It's enabled me to find, fund, and facilitate real estate deals, which actually applies to any type of business. And now I'm actually looking at securing businesses all because of what I learned through real estate. Because building a real estate empire is similar to building a real estate business. People don't even realize it. They buy property, they close deals, they get financing, and they don't even take the time to pat themselves on the back and appreciate all that they've accomplished. And what I want to tell you is that there's so much to accomplish in real estate, and that's why I want you to get involved. Not only is it a career, but it's a business. Being in the business of real estate puts you in the odds of becoming a millionaire. You must have heard before that 9 out of 10 millionaires have become millionaires through real estate. Why not get involved in a business that creates 9 out of 10 millionaires? It would be silly not. So if you have entrepreneurial spirit and you're looking to build a business, whether your expertise is computers or widgets or trucking, you want to take the money that you're earning and invest it in real estate. You can either invest in real estate, you can either create a career in real estate, you can either create a business in real estate. It gives you all aspects of business, and by learning real estate, you're learning to be in business. So on top of the 9 ways, being your own boss, creating your own schedule, making your own day, having your own fun, having deals and investment opportunities to go forward. This is a great career that will lead you to almost anything that you want in your life. So give it a shot. If you want to learn about real estate and how to master real estate investing, check out the Modern Wealth Building Formula at kenvanliew.com and make it a great day.